Hello and welcome to Country Life Simple. Happy New Year! I hope you had a fantastic Christmas and a great New Year and now are ready to tackle 2024. What's in store for 2024 with me? I want to simplify my things. I want to simplify my recipes, my cooking, my baking, my garden, my life in general, to just get a little bit more time for myself, to just rest and regenerate. I noticed that this is something which I haven't done a lot, and it is quite important, so for me that is it. So I'm gonna start with still some preserving and canning, but I also want to reorganize my pantry. I actually want to use up everything I have in my pantry in the next few months, and everything I have in my freezer, use everything up, reorganize it and simplify it. And if you're interested, come along to the journey. I will still post some recipes, of course. I have just made some laundry detergent and some dishwashing tabs. I also have been doing some canning. I've been pickling some beetroot and I'm just about to pickle some onion. So yeah, there will be heaps of recipes. There will be in the next few months, hopefully when it gets a bit cooler, there will be lots of gardening. We had a very, very wet Christmas and New Year's. It's dry now and it's not that hot, but the humidity is high, so it feels quite hot and muggy. But it is summer, so it's expected, I guess, and better than, no rain, definitely. Our tanks are full. I had a nice swim in the pool this morning when I got up. It was really good, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this year. So hopefully you'll join me along. I'm looking forward to your company. And now let's pickle some onions. Remember a few weeks ago I showed you a photo or video of how brown everything was? Well, we just had the best Christmas present ever. Close to 100 mils of rain while we were away. And now we have grass. Some weeds. But it is green. And the grass in some places is actually quite high. It's still early in the morning, just before 6 o'clock. The sun hasn't risen yet. This grass is actually really high. Wow. Hubby's lawnmower is broken. So the grass might stay high for a little longer. Just made some washing powder. I grated some pure soap, added some washing soda and some sodium bicarbonate, and just mixing this all up. I actually have water now because we did have a fair bit of rain, and I have to wash a bit more often, plus we have my mum living with us now, so yeah. I also need to make some dishwashing tabs. I don't know what happened, but 2023, everything is empty. So I'm just mixing up my dry ingredients. I had a video before on how to make dishwashing tabs. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon oil so that it has a nice smell. And I'm also going to add some rosemary oil, which is a grease dissolvent. So perfect for dishwashing. Now I'm going to add some water. Yep, and that's a reaction. That's fine. When I put this in the dishwasher as a tablet, it will actually have that reaction again, and that's what's going to dissolve the dirt and the grease and the grime. So I'm just packing this in some ice cube trays. They're just some silicone ice cube trays, so it's easy enough to get out. And now I'm going to put them outside in the sun to dry. Happy New Year. We had 80 millimeters of rain overnight, and it looks like it's building again. It's pretty black. All of our tanks are overflowing. We were able to mow the lawn. Hello, Janus. What are you up to? Hubby mowed the lawn yesterday. Was able to borrow a lawnmower from a neighbour. And it's actually really black here. Really dark, oh my god. But, believe it or not, there's the sun. So maybe this is just passing us. We'll see. Yep, it is happening. It is raining. And again, we had 80 millimeters last night on New Year's Eve. Look how green it is now compared to a few months ago. Awesome. No pool today. We have water. A lot of water. It would be nice if all this rain would sort of distribute evenly throughout the year instead of all falling in one month. But hey, at least it rained. I think our plants had enough of the water too. The pool is pretty full too. Interesting. Water is standing everywhere. Wow. This tank has been overflowing. It's not overflowing right now. Is it? Oh yeah, a little bit. I've been washing and dishwashing. Wow. So this is our garage roof, and the water goes in this tank, which is 25,000 litre tank, and then it goes into this tank, which is also 25,000 litre tank. And the tank's so full, it's overflowing here, and it's overflowing here as well. It has been overflowing here for days. Everything is pretty wet. But the garden looks quite nice. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. So there's water flowing. Wow. These fellows have plenty of green grass and water now. The water can't even flow off the patio anymore because the water is trapped here now. Wow. My chook pen has its own water flow. Waterfall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wet little ladies. Yeah. The water's actually... Wow. It doesn't have anywhere to go anymore. Wet little ladies. Oh, Mama hen. Oh, you look so wet. Oh. They do have shelter. Wow. They're all wet. You're gonna become ducks. They do have these dog houses here for shelter. And look, they even laid some eggs in there too. hasn't really... Oh, look, it looks like there's another storm coming. Got 5 beautiful eggs. And yeah, I don't think I need to water anything in quite a while. Wow. We haven't seen rain here like that for a long time. Look at the hills. Has cooled down a bit. Unfortunately, we also had very strong winds. So some of my plants had fallen down. Yeah. Wow. It's a jungle. Janus got his own bath in front of the property. It's all fresh water, all from yesterday. You want to go stretchies? Stretchies? No? Yes. Oh,